Okay, so Algebra 2, now that we know when to use the Holy Grail, let's actually look at it. What is the Holy Grail? Okay, so again, we did GCF, greatest common factor, was doing the distributive property backwards. We saw that with our last Nearpod. This one is doing the double distributive property backwards. I don't know what you call it. We call it foiling in Arizona, where I multiply these first two together, the outer two together, the inner two together, and the last two together. So I'm going to do that here with all of these. I'm going to FOIL these, and I would get this. Then I can combine like terms, and I would get this standard form on this side, and then here's intercept form on this side. Okay, I'm going to possibly, there we go, going to FOIL, combine like terms. FOIL, combine like terms. FOIL, combine like terms. So now all these, we see these are exactly the same. The left side and the right side are exactly the same, but one of them is written in standard form and one of them is written in intercept form. That's the whole point of factoring, is to go from one to the other, because we can find the x-intercepts really, really easy for these. These ones, not so much. Okay, these, yes. Okay, so now what I want from you guys, I want you to do a little pattern recognition. If I go from this side, what can you notice about these two numbers, the 9 and the 14, as it pertains to these two numbers, 7 and 2. These two, negative 11 and 24, and these two, negative 3 and negative 8. There's a pattern happening here, and that's what the Holy Grail is. We are looking for two special numbers that hold this pattern, that keep this pattern going. And what is the pattern? Okay. Head on over to the next slide, and let's see if you figured it out.